Decontaminating public spaces, businesses, and residential properties are services that are presently in demand amid the coronavirus emergency that Belize, as well as the rest of the world, is dealing with. Earlier today, a team of men entered the San Ignacio Town Hall compound and proceeded to disinfect it before moving on to spray nearby streets as well as stores and other shopping centers.
We would have been disinfecting Town Hall and the principal streets of San Ignacio and Santa Elena, and as well we'll be disinfecting in front of all the different supermarkets where people would traverse on a daily basis. In doing this, we are trying to, like I said, clean the area that people with the virus may have passed.
It's a similar exercise that took place in downtown Belize City over the weekend, where Scotia Bank was properly sanitized after it had been discovered that the daughter of a COVID-19 patient who succumbed to the virus on Good Friday had been working. To do the job, chemical specialties were called in.
Everybody has to do a part to try to combat this COVID-19. Everybody has a play or a role to do something to combat this COVID-19. It's not just left under the Ministry of Health to do something or the government to do something. It takes I think it's the responsibility of each person, each Belizean, to do a part for this COVID-19 to be eliminated. And we know that social distancing is one, which we are doing and we are implementing, but a lot of people are not doing what is something very essential to combat this COVID-19, which is to disinfect, especially essential places.
The Twin Towns have seen the need to undertake a thorough cleansing of their streets, and according to Mayor Earl Trapp, all efforts are being done to spray the main streets at least once a week.
The least we can do is try to go in the areas where people would normally go on a daily basis and disinfect it. And we want to do this at least once a week until after this crisis is over. Hopefully, for the next month, we want to disinfect San Ignacio and Santa Elena, and of course, in front of all the supermarkets.
For chemical specialties, the demand for fumigation has increased considerably, and there is now a call for other businesses to get involved by doing their part to keep Belize clean and free of deadly pathogens.
There sure is a demand. In fact, the demand will be so great that I don't know if I will be able to. I will do what I can do, but I can tell you this. I mean, there is a demand, and there, like I said, we have to have this service available out there and not expect just the Ministry of Health or government to provide this disinfection process. That's why I believe that the private sector, everybody that's into business, any entrepreneur should change or diversify their way of doing business, especially to suit the different changes that are occurring, especially these fast changes that are occurring in our business community.
Reporting for News 5, I am Isani, Cayetano.